In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Apple Pay to your Wix website. Integrating Apple Pay can significantly enhance the shopping experience for your customers by offering a secure and efficient payment method. Let's dive right in and go through the process step by step. To begin, head over to the Wix homepage. You'll need to log in if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. This is where the magic happens, as it serves as the hub for managing various aspects of your site. Next, locate the settings option on the left-hand sidebar. Clicking on this will take you to the central settings panel. Once you're in the settings, you'll see a variety of options available. For adding Apple Pay, we'll be focusing on the payment settings. Look for the section labeled Accept Payments and click on it. This section is crucial because it's where you control how your customers can pay. By accepting various payment methods, you make purchasing more convenient, potentially increasing sales. Now that you're in the payments section, you want to ensure that your site can accept credit and debit card payments via Wix. This setup is required for supporting additional payment options like Apple Pay. Typically, this step involves a quick setup process where you might need to verify some details. It's pretty straightforward, so follow the prompts that Wix provides to get up and running. Next, in the same section, you'll notice the Apple Pay option listed among available payment methods. This option is what you need to connect in order to offer Apple Pay on your website. Go ahead and click on this to begin the configuration process. If Apple Pay has not been set up on your device, you might need to ensure your Apple Pay is properly configured with your bank or card provider first to proceed without any hitches. The final step is to connect Apple Pay to your Wix site. Simply click on the Connect button next to the Apple Pay option. If everything is set up correctly on both your Wix account and your Apple Pay, this should just take a moment. Wix will indicate once the connection is successful, allowing you to offer this as a payment method on your site. And that's it. Once connected, Apple Pay will be active on your Wix website, allowing customers to use it as a payment option when they make purchases. Remember, providing multiple payment methods can not only make your store more accessible, but can also lead to higher customer satisfaction and retention. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped simplify the process of setting up Apple Pay on your Wix website. Happy